Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. Hi guys, I followed hot topics for a while now, and I never thought I would be the one to write to you. KVG, I got engaged in March this year, planning a marooro for August. My fiance and I got to the same church and have been together for close to 2 years. He allowed me to pick the date, saying, anga aunganidza kare, tangomirira zuva chete. Great! I thought to myself, kuti zvese zvakarongeka. So my issue is we traveled in July for my birthday. It was my first time kukwira ndege kuenda Zanzibar, kuenda munhu wese. So we were sleeping in separate rooms for the 5 days dzedu ikoko. Day 3 ratakaenda water activities. That's when he saw a tattoo under my navel written beautiful warrior in Chinese symbols. I had this tattoo done in South Africa ndiri ku uni 2 years ago. I didn't know it would put him off. In fact, holiday yakazopera tisawirirane like before.Patakadzoka, I realized kuti he wasn't as interested in seeing me like before. Ndakamukumbira kuti titaure. After tataura, that's when he mentioned nyaya tattoo and he said, I can't marry you with that tattoo. You'll have to remove it so that we can continue with our plans. I tried to make him understand that it doesn't make me less of a believer because I have tattoos. Akaomesa musoro zvekudaro. My boyfriend comes from a strong Christian family. His father is a pastor, and so is his brother, the firstborn in the family. I tried to find out if there are ways of removing their tattoos. I was told it's a bit expensive and a painful process. So I delayed a little, hoping the issue would die down. As we were nearing the date in August, he pushed marooro and said date to be announced. Nanhasi haasati andipa date, gore rakutopera. So I told him kuti I will cover it like I've always done. His response is, are you going to cover yourself in my house as my wife? That statement left me defeated. Should I go through the trouble of removing the tattoo or just give up on him? Someone told me DIY method yekushandisa mukaka to remove the tattoo, but they stressed that it's a painful process. Should I give up on this marriage? What should I do?